And dear learners, we have discussed electric current. Now, the second class of this topic, we are going to discuss potential difference. जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि जब हम कोई चीज लिफ्ट करते हैं, सपोज दिस इज ए मास, वी आर गोइंग टू लिफ्ट इट up to this height, up to height h. What we have to do? We have to use force or energy against the force of gravity, because force of gravity acts vertically downwards. When we use force of gravity to lift it, the work done by us changes into potential energy. Similarly, when we move a charge through a conductor, the conductor offers resistance, and we have to work against the force of resistance of the conductor. And when we move a charge through a conductor, using work, using force, using energy to push it through the conductor against the force of, against the resistance of the conductor, the energy used by us gets stored in this conductor as potential energy or electric potential. Suppose we have two points. This is point A of a conductor, and this is the point B of the conductor. When we have to move a charge from point A to point B, we have to work against the resistance of the conductor, and this work gets stored in this conductor at this point as it is potential energy or potential difference. When we have two reference points, we use the term potential difference, and we have on one side infinity and on the other side a fixed point. Then the work done in bringing a unit charge from infinity to the point A is called as the electric potential at point A. And when we have to move a charge through from point A to point B, then the work done in bringing this charge from A to point B is called as the potential difference between these 2 points. Thus, we can easily define the potential difference. Potential difference is the work done, potential difference between any 2 points is the work done in moving a unit charge across these 2 points from this point to this point. Let we move charge Q from point A to point B through a conductor, and let W is the work done in moving this charge Q or in carrying this charge Q from point A to point B. Then potential difference between these 2 points, V is equal to work done W divided by the charge moved. Thus, potential difference between any 2 points is the work done in moving a unit charge between these points from one point to the another point. It is denoted by V. Since the unit of work is joule and that of the charge is coulomb, so the unit of potential difference is joule per coulomb. We call it as volt in the honor of the renowned scientist Volt. Now question arises, what is meant by 1 volt potential difference? Use this equation. If W is equal to 1 joule, Q is equal to 1 coulomb, then V is equal to 1 joule per 1 coulomb, that is equal to 1 volt. So potential difference between 2 points is said to be 1 volt if 1 joule of work is done in moving one charge from one reference point to the another point, or in moving one unit charge across these points. I think you might have followed this. Here is the prepare note for you. Potential difference between 2 points. It is the work done in moving a unit charge. Unit charge means 1 coulomb of charge across the 2 points. It is denoted by letter V. Potential difference V is equal to work done W divided by charge moved Q. That is V is equal to W by Q. Its SI unit is volt. 1 volt potential difference is the potential difference between 2 points, 2 given points, when 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of charge across them. Cell, battery, generator, etc. are the devices used to produce potential difference. The easiest way of producing potential difference between any 2 points of a conductor is to connect with a source or seat of current, that is cell, generator, solar cell, electrochemical cell, whatever type of cell it may be, that will produce potential difference. Thanks.